when I put this together, and I didn't videotape this, there are very specific instructions. So when you put this drawer in, you have to pull these sliders all the way out, and there's like these little BB runner things in there. You have to pull those all the way forward, then push this back in, then put the door in. Okay, I just took that cabinet off the wall. I'm really glad I did because I didn't realize how dirty it was. This is just like grease, and the underneath was filthy with handprints and grease. But these cabinets were put up in a very interesting way that I have never seen before, so I thought I would just show you. Up here in the cabinet, they have that cut out. This is just paper backing. So this is an option for you when you buy a cabinet and it's got a back like these instead of a press board back like this. That is why they did what they did with this bracket. So this brace was screwed into the wall. What went through that was this bracket right here. And then they screwed it into the cupboard and that held it. And this was 2 cabinets put together. I didn't know that. They were actually pretty heavy because of the glass. What happens is this brace goes up, and then you put a cabinet here and a cabinet here, and then the screws go into the cabinet there, and then the cabinets get screwed together here where the line is. Screws were in that side, 4 of them. So there were, the only thing holding the cabinet up were 4 screws there, 4 screws there, 4 screws there, 4 screws there, and then 4 screws that were holding the 2 cabinets together. Now I'm replacing it with this cabinet right here. I just got it today. It's 30 inches, goes right there. And then I bought this double cabinet. You can see that? That's gonna go up there. And then I bought a microwave. The microwave won't be here for a couple months. Then I'm gonna secure the microwave underneath that cabinet. All right, so we've got the new cabinet up, and they don't come with handles. They came with 2 shelves. They're not terribly even. You can see there's a difference between that door and this door. But you know, overall, I mean, gosh, they weren't that expensive. I'm pretty happy with it. I did realize why they chose the wider cabinet because of this line, the line of the counter. So they were going by the line of the counter for the size of the cabinet, which also makes sense. It might even make more sense than what I was doing. Today, I'm working on several different projects. I'm painting the room, taking out the door on the master bedroom, and I'm going to start looking at sealing that up. Also, I thought real quickly I would drill holes in the cupboards I put up last night. So as you can see, these cupboards over here, they come almost like finger lengths up. And to match the cupboards that are over here, we want to sort of do something similar. This is the tool that I use. So as you can see, there's a lip on this side, which you put against the side of the cupboard, and then there's a lip down here which you put against the bottom of the cupboard. And so we're going to be using one of these top holes up here, whichever one looks like it's centered best, to sort of match what we have going on. So I'm going to slide it under the cabinet door and push it up against, and then I'm going to mark the hole that I feel is centered the best and do about a finger's length. And we'll do 1 mark there, and then you just flip it over and do the other side. Double check that you're using right hole for the second side. These cupboards were put on crooked, so I'm gonna slightly adjust for that so that it doesn't look like the handles are crooked. I bought an impact screwdriver, and then I usually just use the tools that go in it. So this is my Phillips, which you've seen, and then I've got one for the star, and then I buy these for the drill. So easy, you just slip it in. It just makes life better. There's one. There's two. All right, done. Put our handles on. And what's nice, you just pop this out, put your Phillips in. You can screw your handles on. Alrighty, there we go. Hopefully I did a slight adjustment for the crooked cabinets. Hopefully it looks good. We'll find out. I took these handles from the cabinets I replaced. They're a little bit dirty, I can see. But they match the handles on the rest of the cabinets. So I don't have to go looking around to match it. Oh yeah, that came out nice. Definitely looks good. All right. So that's how I add handles. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.